Welcome to Upstyle Press. Do you want to use Qwen AI but in your own application for free? Do you want to create your own apps with Qwen AI for free? In this video, I will guide you through how can you do that using Qwen API for free. API is application programming interface. This is how it works. You get the API key from the provider, hit a provided URL with your request. It will respond back with the data that you requested. You use that data in your application. Simple. APIs cost, but we have a way to use free API. This is Qwen Chat from Qwen LM AI. Search Qwen and you will land here, chat.qwenlm.ai. Qwen AI is a series of advanced open source artificial intelligence models developed by Alibaba Cloud. It excels in natural language processing, coding, and mathematics. Qwen Chat is a specialized application of the Qwen models, offering functionalities such as chatbot interactions, image and video understanding, image generation, document processing, web search integrations, and more. It is multimodal. These developments position Qwen as a significant player in the AI landscape, with some reports suggesting it surpasses models like DeepSeek and ChatGPT in certain aspects. We can use this chat for free from here in this interface, but our goal is to use their AI in our own application or website. So to do that, search OpenRouter. It will take you to this website, openrouter.ai. It provides API key for free. Create free account with them and then generate a free API key. From here, go to keys. I have generated the key already. We can create a free key by clicking this button. I have the key, so I will use it. It's free and unlimited. I will use this key for this tutorial and then I will delete it. Don't use this key. Get yourself a new key. Okay. After you get the key on this site, search here Qwen, and you can see here Qwen VL plus free, Qwen 2.5 VL 72B instruct free. We can also search here Qwen, and here we select low to high, and here we get Qwen VL plus free 63 million tokens, and here Qwen 2.5 VL 72B instruct free 372 million tokens. Qwen 2 7B instruct free 72 million tokens. So not just one, we have got multiple AIs from Qwen free to use from here. We will use this big one. Bigger the parameters, greater the results. So click here and at this page click API. If you don't have the API key, you can generate it by clicking this button as well, or by going here. We will need API key from OpenRouter. This API key is from OpenRouter, not from Qwen. OpenRouter is allowing us to use other services, other AI services through it via a free API key. I hope it makes sense. Okay, so this is the code that we have to use. Here we have to use API key, and this is the model name. I will copy this model name from here. I have already created an example page where I used JavaScript to implement this. I will link the full tutorial to build this little app in description. Here I will just explain its working and modify it according to our need. I used Bootstrap for little bit styling. Usually we get markdown based response from these services. So I used marked library to convert response into HTML. In style, I'm modifying response for better look and feel. In the HTML, I have got input field, a button, and a response div. Button will trigger this function, send message. And in response div, we will inject the response received from the AI. So on click of this button, this function will be triggered. This is async function. There we get the input and response div. If input is empty, we will throw the error message. Otherwise, we will show loading text in response div, in this div. And this loading text will be replaced when the real response will arrive from the API. And this is the try catch block. In the catch, we inject error message in response div. In try, we do everything. This is the same code that is here. Here we have our API key, and this is the model name that I will replace and use Qwen that I copied from there. And in the messages, role user content input. This is the input that we have here. Typed message, the message that we typed, that will come here. So I have used just text, but this is multimodal model. It accepts text and it can also process images. For that, you'll have to use this extra bit of code and provide image URL to process images with this model. But we are dealing with text response in this video. If you want me to show you image-based response from Qwen, do let me know. I will make that tutorial as well. Here we get the data from response.json. This is the response. And here we are just logging the data so that we can dig deep into that data. And here from data, we are getting the content. Data, choices, message, and then content. And then here we are converting that data or content from Markdown to HTML and then injecting that data in response div. Pretty simple and straightforward. This question sign with period is optional chaining operator in JavaScript. It allows you to safely access deeply nested properties of an object without causing an error if any part of the chain is null or undefined. Okay, let's save it. And here is our app. Let's ask a question. Will AI replace programmers? And here is the response. It is unlikely that AI will completely replace programmers in the near future. While AI can automate certain tasks and assist programmers in their work, it is not yet capable of fully replacing human programmers. Not yet capable of fully replacing human programmers, but it can. Programmers possess a unique combination of skills, including problem solving, creativity, and ability to understand complex systems that are difficult for AI to replicate. Additionally, especially creativity, Additionally, as AI technology continues to evolve, there will likely be new programming challenges and opportunities that require human expertise. Yeah, of course. However, AI certainly augment the work of programmers and help them be more efficient and effective. That is right. And this was our response was here in the content. So this is not a markdown response. This is a simple text. No markdown here. But anyways, let's ask another question. WordPress or Shopify? Which one is better? And here is the response. Let me change the model. Let's use, instead of this, let's use this one. And let's see how it performs. We'll have to just change this model name. Rest is the same. Save. And let's ask the same question. WordPress or Shopify, which one is better? Okay. So this is the response. Both WordPress and Shopify are popular content management systems that can be used to create and manage websites. Okay. So this response is not impressive, but it will evolve. It will improve. Let's hope it will improve from Qwen. Qwen has to improve yet a lot in order to compete with others. But anyways, this is how it works. It is a good one if you want just simple text or quick responses, But anyways, we are receiving data from Qwen AI for free by using free API key from OpenRouter. You can create chatbots and AI applications by using this technique. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.